Please be careful when you're wiping. That was excessive, so don't do that. I've actually never done that. I don't know why I put so much down. I think I was focused on picking out which one. So obviously the bigger it is, the more bits you need. So now I've mixed 2 different kinds of purples in there. And then we can just put a little bit there. We'll save some of that. Sure is nice having that there. I'm just going to hold it just because that one was... Okay. And then this little oval teacup, I think we should be fine. Let's get some more melting there. I'm going to mix in some silver. It's nice, you can play around with it and make different combinations. Put your glitter in, things like that. Let's see how this one's doing here. So you could melt this down again, so you don't need to waste that. I definitely overdid that one. All right. Oh, that's fun. That little posted 26-cent stamp. So you can take some scissors and just do a bit of a trim up there. And all these bits you can just melt back down. So there really isn't any waste to this, which is nice. The silver and purple. You can kind of have the thing help it along. Wipe our side. Let's do this one. Kind of squish it down in there and let that sit. Purples. We'll do some gold ones in there. What did we do first? This one? Yeah. You can see how it just lifts right up off the parchment. You can reuse this piece of parchment each time. So cute. And then again, we can color with our pen, the side of our pen, or waxes, or like Nuvo paste. If you've got like Nuvo paste and all the different colors, that's a great use for that. Or even paint. You don't have to, I'm just using this because it came in the box, but and then you just put glue right on the back of there and glue it down to your project so you can put it in journals. Let's give this a stir. Okay, so squish it down there and then don't touch it. Okay, this one's cool. It's our little teacup. So let's do that. I like these. So they have lots of choices there, and I haven't even been on their website in a few months, so they might even have some more new ones, but they were pretty sure it's Craspire, C-R-A-S-P-I-R-E, and they had lots of great choices for a pretty good price. I mean, this is something that really can last a super long time. You're not going to run out of, I mean, unless you lose it, I mean, it's metal, so it's a great deal. Guess we'll just do one more. So let's get this one off. So this was our silver and purple. That's really pretty. I'll get some photos of these too, and that'll help you see that a little better. So where's our silver? Let's use our silver pen on that one that came with the, oh, so pretty. I just love it. That. So one more, and we'll call it a day on this. It's fun to get a letter or a gift and have to break the wax seal like that. That is, it's just fun. Let's do another book. So you kind of wiggle it in the beginning and then like that. Blow out our candle, and this excess you can kind of cool it just a little bit and then wipe that out. It is hot though. I just accidentally touched myself earlier, and it's you just want to be careful about that. But it's really nice to be able to set it there. Before, I had to always hold it over my candle like this, and it's just, you can't do anything else while it's melting. So I think this was the next one here. This was our purple and gold. And again, you can trim that. Maybe don't use your best scissors for that, but take that one piece off. You can remelt that. I really like that. So this postage stamp template, Paris, carte postale, and then the little Eiffel Tower. It's quite a good deal on this little kit here, getting all these tea lights and little bags of goodies, envelopes. Some of these you could have a few. Once you start doing a lot of wax sealing, it's really kind of addicting. So have fun with it, see what you can do. Put some ribbon down and then wax seal over the ribbon, or like, where's our envelope? Your envelope down and then wax seal over that. All you do is pour the wax right on top and then put it down right on the envelope. It's very, very easy, and it just looks so neat. Put it in journals. You put a piece of ephemera under there, like this sort of thing, and then you can put a little stamp, wax seal it to the journal. All sorts of things you can do there. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this out now that it's had a chance to cool a little bit. Ooh, it's still hot though. Careful. Okay. And our last one is our purple and gold books again. And you can go for the perfect edges. Like this, to me, is probably the most perfect as you're gonna get, you know, with the ring around completely. But it's kind of nice having the little, it kind of looks authentic with the little edges all funny there. Just depends on what you like, but okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it with that. If you have any questions, let me know, and don't forget to check out those links down below. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you try this out. Have a great day.